Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. Dan, how's it looking out there the rest of the week?
Well, we've got some rain to contend with, but it's going to be late in the day tomorrow and then late in the day on Saturday. So, you know, most all of the activities are going to be going on in the morning and early afternoon hours. And I think for the most part tomorrow, everything's going to be okay. Those late rounds may get a little bit of rain. And then the same thing on Saturday. It looks like the system's going to come later on in the day as we head into Friday, looking pretty nice. It may be a little breezy at times, but Friday will be the warmer, sunnier day of the next three anyway here in Pebble Beach. So not too bad. It's about the weather we normally expect to happen during the Pro-Am. The next weather system is right back here. This is a cold front, associated area of low pressure off to the north. This will intensify and head down the coast as we head through the day tomorrow. So let's crack right into the FUTURECAST and talk about what we can expect overnight into tomorrow. So this is midnight tonight. We're looking at partly cloudy skies. The high clouds will begin to thicken up tonight. It's going to take some time for that to happen. So I suspect temperatures will cool off quite a bit this evening. Our overnight lows will probably be before midnight tonight, and then they'll slowly stabilize and maybe even go up a little bit toward dawn as we get a blanket of clouds that slowly moves in. So a cool evening tonight, but a somewhat mild morning when you wake up tomorrow morning. So we head through the day tomorrow. Clouds continue to increase across the region. A light southerly wind will pick up ahead of this system. We're not going to see strong southerly winds ahead of it. So a light southerly wind, which will keep some areas, especially on the north side of the bay, cool. But moisture will begin to stream in and thicken up as we head into the latter portions of the day. So by the time we get to around 4 or 5 o'clock, some light rain will move through the region. Now, this is going to be pretty light to start off with. It will be impacting the coastal mountains more so than anything else, but some showers will make it down to the lower elevations as well during that evening commute. So prepare yourself for a few wet spots and some slick spots on the roadways tomorrow night on your way home from work. The better chance of rain for most locations will actually come a little bit after sunset. So this is associated with the warm front, and then the cold front comes in around 8 or 9 p.m. tomorrow. That will have some moderate showers, maybe briefly heavy, to the point where it makes the roads pretty slick. Visibility drops, and you may see some puddles on the roads that could cause some hydroplaning. So just be careful if you're driving late tomorrow night. But this is going to come through fairly rapidly, and then it's on its way out of here by the time we hit the Friday morning, outside of maybe a couple of sprinkly drizzles. And that will be all that's left at that point in time. So with this system, we're expecting maybe a ½ an inch total for coastal cities. The best chance of that on the north side of the bay. In the coastal mountains, we may pick up close to an inch, but this is the kind of weather system we like to see. This is the kind of weather system that keeps droughts at bay, keeps some moisture in the ground, and keeps the fire conditions away. If we could just do one of these a week all year round, we'd probably never have a fire again here on the Central Coast. Fingers crossed, right? But unfortunately, we are dry for 6 months out of the year. Anyway, as we head into your temperatures tomorrow, we'll be a little on the cool side across Santa Cruz County. 57 in Santa Cruz, 50s up in the mountains as well. Again, a light southerly breeze off the water during the day. Watsonville, you're going to top out right around 57 tomorrow, upper 50s to 60 degrees as you head over to Salinas, and Hollister tomorrow, 61. Monterey and the peninsula and nearby areas, 59 for your high in Monterey, and just a touch cooler out to Pebble Beach and Pacific Grove. And then farther south, the Salinas Valley, you'll see highs in the low 60s. So temperatures tomorrow for your highs, just a touch cool for this time of year because of the clouds and that system coming through. So that first system comes through tomorrow. We have another system coming in on Saturday. That one should bring some light rain and maybe a bit of wind. And another system looks like it'll come on Monday, which is President's Day. Again, some light rain to the region. So none of these big storms, but they'll bring some rain, keep things unsettled, and maybe an inconvenience to you. We'll still see some breezy northwest winds at times over the next couple of days. That does include Valentine's Day, but you'll get a nicer day Friday and Sunday, punctuated between those rainy days, and Tuesday and Wednesday of next week looking nice as well. There's a chance of some rain later next week, which we're also keeping an eye on. Inland areas also feeling a little bit cooler and breezier for the next couple of days, but the holiday weekend not too bad. We do have some rain bookending Saturday and Monday, but Valentine's Day looking pretty nice right now. We're back after this.